Hey guys, I'm Rugved and I will be your Ganny Buddy for today. First of all, I will give you a project overview. So my project name is Demo Project. I have one app whose name is app. Then it's a very basic project. I have not written any other code except for models. So let me show you what models I have created. Here I have mentioned some models. First model is category, which has only single field, which is name. Similarly, author, which has a field name, and there is book. In this video we will only need author model. So let's look at what our aim is. Let's see what our aim is. So this is the template. Basically this is the most important part of this video. This is the script which we will use to write standalone script. So what this script does is it will access all the models which you want. Whatever you need, you can access it here, the models, and perform actions accordingly. What is the aim of this script? For now, in this video, we will write standalone script to perform read operation on the database. So I will tell you that in this video, we will just iterate over the author model and list out the names of the authors, right? You can use this script to do complex tasks. Like I have used it, and I will in the further videos I will cover how to use this script to pre-populate data, like writing a script to populate thousands of database entries to do that. And the second part, you can also use it to take database backups in the form of JSON, CSVs, Excel, etc. We will cover that in later videos. In this video we will see just the basics. So let's go through this script. Here are a few import statements. Here is the project name. Now I have given it demo project because of my project name, but you have to put your project name here. It may be some like e-commerce website or anything, whatever your project name is. This is the function. We will come back to it. Okay, now let's see. This is whatever I have written in comments, these two lines. I have pasted it from documentation, but to understand in layman's terms, you could think of this line as, here we are telling this script that where settings.py is located, and it's we are telling that use this settings.py to run the script. Settings.py, if you think of it, it's a file where you have registered all the apps you are or declared all the models and everything. So like it is a reference point from where all the configurations or all the address of everything related to the project is present. Okay, so and then we are calling Django.setup. What this line does is we are loading your settings, which we just call. Okay, now we have told it with settings.py to use, and then we have also loaded it. Then we call the function main. Okay, so let's just print hello world and see if it's working. Okay, so now you can I'm using VS Code, so I have a run button over here, or in the terminal you could also run as Python script template.py or whatever your file name is. Okay, so yeah, it's working fine. It printed hello world as expected. That's fine. One more important thing to note is we have to place this file besides, like along with the manage.py, just in the directory where manage.py is present. It's very important because it won't work. This whatever we have addresses we have written, it won't work. So make sure you place it beside manage.py. Okay, now rather than printing out, let's see what we can do. Now first of all, I will show you what's present in the database. I have populated some entries. Let me show you those. I will run the server, and as you can see, this project contains nothing, but in the admin there are 3 models, and we will go to authors model, and it contains, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 authors, and what each author contains is a name field, which is the name of the author. What we want to do is iterate over it and get the list of this. Okay, so what we'll do is write import statements from app name app.models. Why app.models? It is not it depends on your app name. In my case, this is the app I'm referring here. So app.models import author. So from the models file I'm importing author. Okay, now I have the author. I will you can write other import statements like category or like whatever you want to import, or whatever models you want to import here. Now the next thing is I will say authors typo authors is equal to authors dot objects dot all. What I did is if you know Django a bit, this means that we will just get all the entries of the authors. Now we will iterate over it and just print it out. For author in authors print author. That's it. Very simple. Okay, there was a typo here. It will be author, not authors. So authors dot objects dot all, and then we will print all the author name. So to run this script, we will just press here, or you could type in the terminal python script template.py. So here you can see that we have listed out all the names. So this is working fine. So now you can use this script to create, update, delete or pre-process any data in terms of it, and also like make complex scripts, which we will see further in the next upcoming videos. For now, that's it my friends. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to GyaniBuddy for more such videos, and blog version for this app is available on gyanibuddy.com/blog, whose link is provided in the description. Thank you.